Good morning. So today for math, we are going to be playing a really fun Save Hogwarts game. It's just like when you save the North Pole around our winter break. So I'm going to just explain it to you because it might not be fresh in your head because we played it a long time ago. So you're going to get a Google Sheet and it's going to have these different questions on it. So you have 4 questions and it's lock 1, and it kind of gives you this little clue, but you don't really need to understand the clue as long as you solve these questions. Okay, so you answer these 4 questions using the slide that says code for lock 1. So your answers are going to reveal a letter, and the letter is going to spell out a word. When you get it right, you press submit and you'll go on to the next one. Then it asks you some more questions, 4 more questions. So you go to this slide that says lock 2, and your answers are going to each reveal a letter which spells out a word. You'll submit it and go on to the next question where it has another 4 questions. Okay, lock 3. So on this slide, you go to the one that says lock 3, and your answers will each use a letter to spell out a word again. Okay, then you have the hardest lock. I don't know if you remember this from Save the North Pole, lock 4, which means you need to go through all of the picture slides and look very carefully for how many newspapers you can find and how many wands you can find, and they're hidden inside these pictures. Now, if you need some help, I'm sure your substitute teacher can give you the hint because she has the answers, so maybe she can give you a hint just to let you know this is what a wand looks like, so you can see it right there. And let's see if we can find a newspaper. This is what a newspaper looks like. Okay, so that's just a little bit of information about saving Hogwarts. You can play this on your own. The teacher will open the game for you and you can get started. Or if you want, you can play it in partners in a breakout room, but then it might be harder, like one person will type in the Google form and the other person might need to solve. You might need to take turns and use some teamwork. So I'll let you vote and decide how you want to solve either on your own or in a group. Good luck!